Good job. Good job. It's a good howls. Very good job. You're trying to alert everybody about the claw, huh? What are you guys waiting for? Oh, that's not a treat, silly. That's a part of the kennel. Oh my goodness. Well, guys, we have got 5 of our fox red Labradors. One of them already went home, so they're now 8 weeks old. They're gonna be going home this week. Oh! And you guys can tell we are very, very excited. You guys are so cute and so chonky, and we know you're forever home. So we're gonna love you forever. Woohoo! So guys, stick around. We're gonna have one last play date. We're gonna have tons of fun. So leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and without further ado, that's right, let's get started. Woo! Here we go. So without the toys, guys, they just have all their attention focused on me. So this will help them not chew on my socks. What is that? What is that? Look at you. You're so proud of your toy, huh? You got all by yourself. And you got this one. I'm gonna take it from you. I'm gonna take it. I got it. There you go. You know what tug of war is? You're like putting the whole thing in your mouth, silly. Oh, the energy is just unmatched. Go get it. Or not. Well, this is very organized, and you are not. There's tug of war. Go, go, go. Oh my goodness. Got it. Got it. Grr, grr. Oh, there you go. Glad I could help. Oh my goodness. Go, 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 go. Well, this isn't getting anywhere, obviously. This is the most even tug of war match I've ever seen. Somebody's got to win. Somebody do something cool. Oh my goodness. There we go. Down to 2. You lost. Well, this is going to last for quite a long time, I think. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Don't give up now. Now you got your fox. I'm gonna steal it from you. Oh, I'm gonna steal it from you too. Here you go. You guys play with each other. Oh my gosh. So I guess we'll just wait and see how long it takes these puppies to run out of energy. You're just laying on the ground. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You know what they say? It's pretty hard to move dead weight. And you're a chonky, chonky puppy. You're a chonky puppy. Well, our attention spans go from one thing to the next very quickly. got a stranglehold on that box, huh? Get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh my goodness. They're just not giving up. Hey. Goop, gotcha. Goop, goop, goop. Hi. Did you wanna boop? Boop. Good job. Good job. It's a good howls. Very good job. You're trying to alert everybody about the claw, huh? Somebody's working very hard. Whoa, that was fast. And that's my foot. What did I say about my feet? You're patiently waiting. For what? Not even interested in the ball, but I bet you if I put my foot right here. Oh, gotcha, gotcha. That was quite the tumble. Uh-oh, here comes some more tug of war. Uh-oh. It is very serious around here. We're trying to make up our mind. Where are we gonna go? What are we gonna do? Nope, not the ball. Uh-oh, somebody's tired. Are you sleepy? It's so fun to just follow them around. Oh, somebody wants some attention. Somebody wants some attention. How about we give it to you? Hi. Hi. Oh, everybody else wants attention now too, huh? Everybody else. Hi, cutie. Oh, you're so sweet. You are a sweetheart. Hi. Gotcha. 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 The claw. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Well, all right, everybody. Our fox reds are so stinking cute, and they're ow, no, and their forever homes are going to be so lucky to have them. Thank you guys for joining us on this journey. We really appreciate it. Make sure you leave a giant thumbs up, smash that button, smash the subscribe button as well. And for now, we're going to be saying pause.